Looking at the book map, I can say that Bitcoin is looking bad. The price of Bitcoin is plunging to the downside, and many other altcoins are following the same trend. Are we going to see altcoin dump with Bitcoin? Or maybe this is just something to scare us during this weekend as as the market goes to sleep. Bitcoin now is considered as Wall Street flavor or Wall Street coin after the Bitcoin approval. So today I want us to look at a couple of stuff. This is the book map. We're gonna go through and see where there are different orders in the market. Look at support and resistance with Bitcoin. Look at different cryptos out there, different altcoins that we are holding, like TRB Coin, Chirpley, Jito, Lunr Token. Most of these coins are already pumping, and most of them also are retracing from their pump. And I did a show this morning and yesterday talking about these coins, and we're gonna go through all this good stuff today. So stay tuned as we dive into it. Oh boy, I'm so excited to be here with you guys as always to look at the market and analyze what's going on, how we can get involved, what we should do, what decisions we have to make right now. This is the weekend, and the weekend usually is a moment where people take out profits, and let's say Saturday, Sunday, we can see some movement back in the market. But we're going to discuss all this and see where we are at this point in time, and see how we can go about investing in the market. If you're new here, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you and me make nkap l'argent in this crypto space. So if say you love to be in my space, in my community, then like this video is a way to show your support to support this platform. And if say you want to stay here with us, with me, then subscribe, thumbs up, and share my content. Those of you who are always here with me, kudos to you. We have come that far, and we keep going despite the condition in the market. And things like this is it's not new to us. It's something that we have experience in. So let's dive into the chart to look at what is going on. But I tweeted this today, guys, and I mentioned this. Bitcoin dominance chart overview for this weekend. Two things will happen this weekend with BTC and altcoins. Either BTC will pump and alt dump, or both will pump. Whatever the case, Bitcoin dominance will rise. So this was tweeted 10 hours ago. Now let's begin our chart with the Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's see what's going on after that tweet. So let's zoom this closer and go to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, because that tweet was more of the lower time frame. And on the lower time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, it's clear that Bitcoin is looking is looking somehow juicy. The charts, like what I drew here, like this arrow here, we are seeing price making its way to the upside, even though Bitcoin is dumping somehow. But it shows that other altcoins as well are dumping that much. So for us to actually understand more on what we can expect here, I think what will happen is we're going to see maybe some sort of movement in the market today or tomorrow. Right after this done, we're going to see some pullback. And I think Bitcoin can really move this week. And I'm going to show you guys a couple of stuff that made me to say all this. And if we go to the total, this is the total too. And these are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin, right? And let's go to the higher time frame, the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is going on here. So if you ask me, I would say that this is just a major retracement back to, like, the charts are resetting Yeah, there's a reset going on right now with price, and provided price is above the 200-day moving average on, like, looking at the chart right now, I'm gonna still be bullish on altcoins. Altcoins, I'm still bullish. That all altcoins excluding Bitcoin, because you can see we are in a trending market, and each time price get to this zone, yeah, price always bounce. So let's see, if say that's gonna be the case. And if we go to the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, this is total 2. That is all cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin. We can see that we are clearly in an uptrend for this coin, and price is still above the alpha trend, and the alpha trend haven't yet printed any sell signal yet. And what also is good here is that this moving average is far away, so I think we're gonna see more upside for altcoin, and we're not gonna see some sort of major dip with altcoins. No, it won't happen. And if we go to total 3, that is all cryptocurrencies out there excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, the same game is playing here. The same thing is going on here. So I would say that we can expect some pump with some altcoins this weekend before we can expect price to actually, let's say, maybe move more downward, because this is not, like, to me, it's not a dump. I think this is just minor correction. Price is resetting after huge pump. Like, the whole of last year, Bitcoin has been doing so well, awaiting this ETF stuff. And now that the ETF is come, Bitcoin is not really moving, and most altcoins are not moving. Just few altcoins are moving. And I'm going to also share with you guys these altcoins that are moving, and maybe we can look at some possible entries in today's show. So let's go to Bitcoin chart, or the Bitcoin chart. Now, if say you follow my content, you know that I've mentioned that so far as we are above $40,000, we can still see major pump with most altcoins out there, right? Because if Bitcoin is, like, you can see, Bitcoin is playing in this range, like, is consolidating in this way, and Bitcoin loves to do this before it will decide where price wants to go. So the market makers are going to pump the price up, bring it back down, pump it up, bring it back down, until they decide, okay, where do we want to pump this coin? Maybe downward or upward. But if say they want to pump it, they want to, like, dump it downward, we are looking at $35 or $38 as an area of interest for Bitcoin. So you guys can look at these areas, because I can see this indicator here is making its way towards that zone. So I think when price get there, we're going to see a bounce. So you can expect a bounce from this zone if the price get there. If not, then we are still bullish where we are right now. If we go to look at where the Trendillo is right now, let's bring in the Trendillo. The Trendillo is resetting actually, and we are seeing it compressing. And when it compressed like that, and it reset, goes down to the sold area, and print this red zone here, then we want to start looking at ways to get Bitcoin. Now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. We can see that the Trendillo already printed on the 4 hours time frame, and price made its way to the halfway towards the 0.0 zone area, this line in the middle. And now we are seeing the Trendillo pointing downward. So we want to see price hold where price is right now, and even if price have to move downward, we might see some sort of divergence there. And this is going to be bullish to me, because you can see first dip, second dip, we can get the third dip here, the third candle before price will move drastically to the upside. So I'm going to say that the Trendillo actually looks pretty good with Bitcoin. Now let's go to the lower time frame to see if we can see possible trade here, because guys, like right now, I think we have established the fact that maybe we can see Bitcoin hold here, and the market makers can pump the price to the upside. But now let's go to the lower time frame and see, okay, do we have a possible trading option here for Bitcoin? Yes, we have. Now what will happen? Two things will happen. We have seen this pump here, this huge dump here on the 15-minute time frame, you can see, and now we saw huge buyback. And where did price go to? Right? Price went to this area here, this zone. So for us to actually confirm that this is gonna be a zone where price is gonna end, like before price moves to the upside, then we want to see price hold this zone, or if the price have to go down, more down, price should come down, but price should not make lower lows from where price is right now. So I can say that we can recover these vector candles and go right up to this area here on a lower time frame at $42,446, before we can get back to this zone and then maybe move back upward. So I think these are all different zones where we can really get some price action with Bitcoin and other altcoins. When Bitcoin gives the signal, other altcoins are gonna do the same. We're gonna look at Ethereum as well, because I think the upside for Ethereum is really good. Ethereum have dropped, today. Guys, when Bitcoin is not doing well, only some few altcoins can do well, and these are low caps that haven't yet pumped before when Bitcoin was pumping. We're gonna go through some of these altcoins today. We're gonna look at TRB Coin. I know you guys are waiting for it. But I just want you guys to see what is going on with Bitcoin. And if say Bitcoin is gonna hold these zones, we're gonna see price move drastically to the upside with most of these other altcoins. It's very important we go through this first and look at what the alpha is doing. Since Bitcoin is the alpha in this space, if Bitcoin gives us the go ahead, then we can accumulate most of these coins as well. Now let's look at TRB. I did a show, this coin pumped, and I did a show about TRB. Now I want us to look at the zones I mentioned on the chart. It's like, am I freezing? No, I'm not freezing. Okay, I think I'm okay. So let's look at the zones I talk about on this chat, on today's live stream. I streamed this morning. This is where I was looking at the first zone. This is the 15-minute time frame, and the zone below is on the 1 hour time frame. So if I see price get to that area, let's go to the 1 hour time frame first, so we can see what is going on here. Guys, actually I'm gonna pull the volume profile again, so we can follow price towards where price is right now, and then we mark the different zones and see what the volume profile will give us as to the point of control, and also the value area high and the value area low. So let's pull the volume profile here and let's take it to this level here. And okay, so from where price is right now on this lower time frame on TRB, I'm gonna say that this is a zone where we can start accumulating TRB right now. TRB coin, Lunr coin. Why? Because you can see price made this huge pump to the upside, and price is retracing now back to where the pump started. You can see around this area. And if say I draw the Fibonacci retracement tool, let's bring the Fibonacci retracement tool right now and take it from the bottom, here to the top. We can see that the golden pocket is where price is right now. This is the area where price is right now, the golden pocket. And if say we want to be accurate with this indicator, let's just bring it closer to where the pump actually started moving. So this is a zone where the pump started. Let's bring this here like this, so you can see price is exactly at the golden pocket. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. I love to see this. I want to give my stuff some power. I think I'm getting some my stream is not, I think it's okay, but I want to give some power to my computer to actually be fast. Yeah, now guys, looking at this, I'm gonna just pause a little bit. I want to buy Teller now. I'm sorry, guys, let me buy Teller. I have to buy Teller. I have to buy more Teller right now, because I think we might see price pump from where price is right now. And what I'm gonna sell is my Bitcoin. I'm gonna sell my Bitcoin right now to buy Teller. Of course, I know you guys are like, okay, sell your Bitcoin right now. Actually, I'm gonna sell Bitcoin and Ethereum to buy Teller. Let me get some Teller right now. So let me first of all sell my Ethereum, some of my Ethereum to BTC. Then I can now buy this with. So let me set this right now. Okay, let's go to Telor, TRB, BTC, buy. I'm using my phone right now to buy this. Okay, I just bought some of it. I bought some, but I just want to add more because right now we might see a huge, like during this stream, we might see a huge pump back to the upside, But my play is this. I think we're gonna see price move back to the upside. Then price can come back and make lower lows, divergence to kiss this moving average here before price can move back to the upside. But whatever the case is, this is now a healthy chart to me. The chart before yesterday, it wasn't healthy, and I mentioned to you guys that if say you want to buy any coin, you have to buy the coin when it's time to buy the coin. Make sure you chart the coin, look at market structure, what is going on with that project at that point in time with price, and if say you see an opportunity at that particular time, you can easily get the coin and wash the retracement back up. And if say price is not able to make higher highs, that's when you're gonna get out from the coin. So let's see what I mean to say by that. If say price is able to retrace back up and price is not able to make higher highs, then that's when you want to sell this coin. Now let's look at the target where you want to take out profit, because I want to take out profit if say price is going to pump somehow. So let me take off all of this, and bring in the Fibonacci retracement. But this time around, I'm taking it from the top to the bottom where price has ended. So I want to assume that price has ended. I thought I printed it. Okay, let's go get it right now from the top to where price is right now. Know where price, like the price level. So I think the first pump is gonna be like this. This is what is gonna happen, guys. And I want you guys to watch this carefully, because tomorrow I'll tell you that I told you so. I always say I told you so because most of you don't listen. You watch my content, but you don't listen to what I say. Price is gonna get to this zone here, and maybe price come back down somehow, before price can get back to that zone again. But I think the first area where price is gonna get to from where price is right now gonna be at this zone here, this area here, and if possible, price is gonna make its way to the golden pocket before we can expect some retracement. And the golden pocket is exactly around where the sell signal is, guys. That's why I love the alpha trend so much, because the alpha trend can give you exactly where you can take out profit without you using so many tools out there. You can see from here, this is the area where you have to take out profit. And also if the price have to like retrace, and the first level is going to be at this area here where we are seeing this zone here, and that's an area of interest looking at the Fibonacci retracement too. So with Telor, I think right now you can get some of it. Of course, what I do here is no financial advice. Excuse. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing, and it's up to you to decide if you want to follow what I do or not. Now let's move to the next coin, guys. The next coin I have here on my list is Chirpley. The Chirpley boys, the Chirpley baby. All the Chirpley, the Chirpleyans, the Chirpleyans. So guys, Chirpley looks so juicy. I had for some profit already on Chirpley, and I was saying that Chirpley can get back to where the price started, and Chirpley has done just that. And if we look at the daily time frame, we can confirm, guys, that Chirpley is moving around this range here. Price make this pump, and price has come back to where price started. It's not good, guys. Of course, it's good for those who understand how coin like this move. To me, I think it's good. But now, what is even more juicy here is that the alpha trend has printed this, upward signal. Yeah. So I think we're gonna see Chirpley on the daily time frame move up and trade above this zone before price can make its way and make higher highs from where it is right now. But you can see, guys, each time price try to move up, there is this sell off. So this is a crucial zone, and I'm going to tell you guys why this is a crucial zone for Chirpley. Let's go through the 5 hours time frame, and you're going to see that this zone, if I zoom, this zone is in conflict with this other zone here. You can see this is a crucial zone, and if say Chirpley is gonna get out from where it is right now, this zone, and see price pump there. When price get there, we see huge sell-off with price. So if Chirpley is able to break this zone, guys, we are going to the moon. Price is gonna go to the moon, like with Chirpley. That's why you are seeing sell-off. I want to say that this is an accumulation zone. You know, there are many people who are accumulating this bad boy, but of course, guys, we can see this coin even plunge more downward, depending on what Bitcoin will do. So look at Bitcoin before you trade this coin. If Bitcoin is not doing well, then this coin most definitely is gonna go down for sure. It's gonna go down. So if say you want to buy Chirpley at this range, look at what Bitcoin is doing. But before you buy Chirpley, let's go to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, so we can still pull the Fibonacci retracement tool and see where you're gonna take out profit if say this bad boy pump to the upside. So let's pull it from the top to the bottom right now, and then let's see where we can expect price to move towards right now. So where price is at this point in time, we can expect price to do this, because we are on the 1 hour time frame. We have seen the alpha trend printed this sell signal here. So what I'm expecting to happen right now is price to do this. Price should actually move in this range, like move up here, you know, first, come back and hold on this moving average here, you know, then move towards this golden pocket area before price can maybe retrace back downward and make lower lows, you know. And we're gonna see this happen, I think, this weekend or maybe next week. But if so, we also pull the volume profile here and see what we can expect, you know. Let's look at where the value area low and the POC is. You can see price is around. Wow, guys, this is so accurate. This is so accurate. Now let's go and take this away. The Fibonacci tool. You can see this is the area, the value area low is the area where I mentioned that we want to see price, you know, recover and get to that zone. And if say price recover and come back and stay above this indicator, the 200-day moving average, you know, on the 1 hour time frame, then I think that price can at least go towards this zone here at 0.0082 before price can retrace back, and that's gonna be where I mentioned to be the golden pocket, right? So guys, you want to look at all these zones for Chirpley if say you are a Chirpleyan or a Chirpleyan. Now guys, there is this coin here that I have, like, I've talked about this coin like crazy every now and then. I talk about this coin, and I think this coin has pumped 1x already in one day. And what I love about this coin is that it can 10x in no time. Like, it can just 10x like that. And this is Lunr Token. How I love this coin. I love this coin. Now, I did some TA on my own, you know, and I was looking at this zone, but now all of these zones have been invalidated. And what I want to see is this: price is moving so drastically, and I think price is not healthy. Looking at what price is doing. But one thing I've noticed recently with this coin is, let me bring in the Fibonacci retracement tool right now, so I can explain to you guys what I mean by I've seen something awesome going on right now. So I want to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool right now, the Fibonacci, from this zone to the top, and I want to see where the golden pocket is gonna be. So this is the golden pocket, but for us to actually confirm that we are in an uptrend, price should come to this zone here, and price should hold this zone, this area here. Price should be able to hold this zone if say we are in a trend continuation. So we can see price does do something like this, like come down, you know, it tests this, and want to see price keep going to the upside, you know, doing something like that. But if say price is gonna fail, then price is gonna come back to this golden pocket, and price can even go more downward to this zone. But I think looking at the daily time frame, we are good to go with this coin. We are good to pump. And I think that where we're gonna see retracement for this coin is gonna be at this area. I already bought some of it, and I took out some profit, but I'm waiting for a more proper entry for the coin. This is Lunr. You can get this coin on, I got it on, I think, Mexi. So you can get it on Mexi. If you don't yet have Mexi, use my link below to register with Mexi. So this is a zone where I think price is going to be holding. I mentioned this with my wife earlier today. We chat about this early this morning, and I told her these zones. And the reason I mentioned this is because of like price has attempted to trade around this zone before, and price was rejected. So looking at this zone here, I'm gonna do this. I love to do this. I'm gonna pull this this from the where price is right now to where this zone here. So in the middle is where I should expect price to retrace to before I can buy more of Lunr. So guys, go and look at Lunr. This coin has been pumping for the past 2 days. I think like for the past 24 hours. Let's just go to coin market cap. So let's see if the volume has increased, and if that's the case, how many percent has the volume increased? So let's look at the data on the 7 days to see what has happened or what has transpired with this coin on the 7 days time frame. So on the 7 days time frame, let's see what is going on. Like, okay, it's up 170%. That's more than 1x, and we can see this coin 5x like that. I'm telling you, I know this coin. I've been investing in this coin for more than 1 year now. I know the coin is one of my ATM machine, right? When I see and usually this coin pump when everything has pumped, like Bitcoin has pumped and has settled. So this coin is gonna start pumping as well. Let me show you guys what is going on here. You can see this coin has been down 99.982%. So if you're getting in right now, don't think as if you have missed out a lot. You haven't missed out but you haven't missed out in anything. This is still early. We're gonna see price move like so drastically. And if we go to, let's bring in CoinGecko here. I want to show you guys something on CoinGecko with Lunr. I think CoinGecko with CoinGecko I can get more data with what I want to show you guys, on what I want to show you guys here about Lunr. Now let's look at this. Now looking at CoinGecko for the past 24 hours, this coin is up 47%. So let's go to the all time and see it's up from this chart. I can see here that it's up 57%. Okay, now let's go to from the all time low. This coin is up 146%. Now, looking at the all-time high, it was at $13 for this coin. So, imagine that you are able to get this coin now for, let's say, for $13, right? Let's go to, okay, where can I get this right now? I think these guys usually have this here. Where can I get this now? Maybe we can get this on Coinmarketcap. So let's do this on Coinmarketcap. Let's see. Or maybe if say I go to the front page of CoinGecko, I can get it. Let's see if that's the case. No, I cannot get it. So let's go to the front page of CoinMarketCap. If I can get it, I want to do some calculations here. The price. No. Okay, I think maybe I have to look at this. Let's see. Exchange or product. Calculate, convert. Okay, this is convert. It's convert. So let's just go to convert and see if say we can do this right now. Convert from what? Let's say we have USDT data 13 USDT, right? And which coin we want? Lunr, right? How many is gonna give us? It's gonna give us 123 now, 121 Lunr. So multiply 121 by $13. So let's just see one 121 times 13. That's $1,573. So with an investment of $13, you can get about 121 Lunr Token. And if Lunr gets back to the all-time high, I don't know which date this is going to happen. But guys, we have seen miracles, magic happen with cryptocurrency. Like, anything can happen. So if this is the case, then you're going to be rich. $18. It'll be like you buying Bitcoin at $1. You know, and just imagine that you are able to get this $100. Or let's say $100. You're gonna get $938 with this, and you times it by that price, which is at $13. That's huge money. I want to do this. Let's say usually I love to do this to be happy with myself, that maybe this is me, and this coin, you'll just wake up and pump like that. You know what would be the amount I want to get. This is gonna be $12,194 $12,000. Let me just say it like that. So with $100, a coin like this can pump. We have seen that with crypto, anything can happen, right? So don't feel as if this is just I'm just bluffing here or just saying stuff because I want to say stuff. This can happen, and it's very possible that it can happen. Maybe this is the moment, right? So if say you have some of this baby right now, just hold it, or you can buy little right now, let's say for $10, $5, and you just hold it. If say it keep going up, you can keep adding, as it's going up, and you follow my show every day. So I give you different areas where you can accumulate, buy more, take out profit, keep buying. With $5, you can transform it even to $100. So I mean, if that's the case, that's gonna be good for you, right? It's not as if you could have made that money investing in something else, right? So that's the scenario we want to see with Lunr, and you can see Lunr is in that zone or in that area. And the last coin that I have here on my list is Jito. This coin, I talked about this coin some days back. Let me see if I can bring it on Binance. Let's see. Okay, this is on Binance, and this is a daily time frame. This is a new coin actually that was listed on Binance. But let's go to not only Binance. I think it was listed on other exchanges. And after that, we saw the price plunge to the downside, and it has been moving drastically to the upside. Now, this coin has formed an M. An M, and when you see an M like this, people will say it and soldier, but I think this is an M. On the 4 hours time frame, this is bearish, so we can see price retrace back, to where price started. That's what we can expect. So I think with Jito Coin, we can see price do just that. But if say price is able to hold around this moving average, the 200-day moving average, then I think we can expect price to move more upward. But you can see the alpha trend has printed a sell signal here, so we can expect price to move more downward. Now, if say price has to move downward, let's look at the possible area where we can expect price to move towards and hold. So let's bring in from the Fibonacci retracement tool and from the bottom to the top, and see how price can play out. So this is a zone for Jito. Those of you who are investing in Jito, this is the area where you want to start looking for a buy opportunity for this coin, and if say you see multiple rejection of price from the downside to the upside from this zone here, then you want to get some of this Jito. And if say we look at the Trendillo, let's see. Okay, the Trendillo also is making its way to the downside, and they still have some long way to go before you can print this red zone here. And if that's the case, you can as well get this coin. So that's that for Jito, and other cryptos that I've been talking about here, guys. The thing here is I do this TA because I want you guys to see that like all the tools I use on this TradingView are free, and I'm going to show you guys again how to get this tool right now. The first you have to get is this Trendilo, and this is the one, the Trendilo open source. The second one is the Alpha Trend, the Alpha Trend screener. This is the Alpha Trend screener, this one. And the last one you want to get is the 200-day moving average, the 20-day, and the 50-day moving average, right? But if you see you want to get it exactly as me, like you can see this, the way it is here, you won't be able to get it. This is I'm the only one who have this indicator, this design, and the red in the middle represent the 200-day moving average. The blue represent support, and the green represent resistance. So if say price is above, then this green will going to act as support, and if say it is below, the blue will act as support, and if it is below, the green will act as resistance. So that's how I go about with this indicator. And each time price bounce, I want to hope price hold at those zones, the zones that I want to get into that trade, right? And looking at the lower time frame, like 2 hours time frame, you can see the Trendilo is already printing this red zone here. That's the oversold area. And if we go to the more lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, we can see that that's the case, and it's around this indicator here. And if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that, okay, maybe we can get some sort of bounce back, and you can see the alpha trend indicator on the lower time frame is accurate as it is on the like it's sorry, I want to say the alpha trend is accurate when price is in a downtrend, and the same when price is in an uptrend. So you can see price has been respecting the alpha trend as a support area, and price is touching this 200, the 20-day moving average before price can bounce back. So if price has to move forward, the 50-day moving average is going to be an area where price is going to bounce back from and keep going downward. And for us to invalidate this, price have to cross above the alpha trend and cross also above this 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. Then also cross above the this indicator here, the one that acts as support and resistance, on the lower time frame, before we can confirm that maybe we are back in an uptrend. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this content was helpful to you. If say you want me to keep doing this every day, every now and then, go and smash the subscribe button. It's free. Thumbs up. That's the least you can do to support this content, to reach out to more people like you. Having said that, guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.